Welcome to this Transforming Learning Fife video on Safari tips, bookmark and favourite.
In Safari, we can make use of bookmarks to store and organise the websites that we visit frequently. You may have noticed that when you click the plus and add a new tab, we can see our favourites here. By default, we have all got a favourites folder within our bookmarks. This might be pre-populated for you, and you might want to go in and edit that. So, in the top left-hand corner, we're looking for the sidebar icon. This reveals the menu in Safari. Tap onto Bookmarks, and then you'll see Favourites. Within here, we can edit these and we can delete them. Simply swipe across on one of them, and then we can tap Delete or we can tap Edit. If you like to organise things further by making use of folders, within the bookmarks we can tap on the three dots and we can add a new folder. We can give our folder a name and then we can start organising that way. So I'm going to go for a numeracy folder because I'm going to have different folders for different curricular areas. Once you've got your folder name, tap Save, and that folder is now ready for you to start populating. I'm going to close this menu by tapping that sidebar icon again. So I want to add in a website now to that numeracy folder, and I'm going to go to Polypad. I'm going to tap the share icon, and you'll see we have the option to add to our favourites, but because I want to make use of folders, I'm going to tap More. You'll see we get an option here of Add Bookmark To. I'm going to tap onto that, and here we can edit the name of the website, but what we need to do is change the location. Tap onto Favourites and then choose the folder that you're going to save this into. You'll also notice that we can add new folders from here as well. Tap on the folder and tap Save. I'm going to add a new tab and I'm going to use that sidebar, and you can see I'm in my bookmarks already. I can tap numeracy and I can visit that site. So you now need to decide if you are a person that likes to favourite all your websites or if you want to organise them into different folders.